there's how we can create a newspaper article with columns in it using Microsoft Word. Firstly, let's type up our heading. Then let's type in our text. Now I did this earlier, so I'm just going to paste the whole lot in like that so you don't have to sit through my boring typing. Okay, then let's make the heading bigger and more newspaper-like. I do quite like Old English text for newspaper headings, and we will make it huge, actually even bigger. Now, to get this text here into columns, we go up to Page Layout, Columns, and I'm going to go for 3. That's what it looks like. Now, you can change the alignment of the columns. We can have it left aligned, centered, has ragged edges, not very classy, right aligned, that's just weird. Justified works quite nicely for newspapers. We can widen these margins between the columns by dragging that little arrow there. If you're not seeing that arrow, go up to View, make sure this little box is checked and drag it to where you like it. You can also alter the margins of your page using that draggy lines up there as well. Now the last thing we need is a picture. Insert picture. Where have I got a picture? That'll do. Now that is kind of pretty, but I think it would look a lot nicer if it was lined up with one of my columns. So I'm going to try to get it about the right size. If it won't let you drag it around, change your text wrapping. Maybe tight. Yes, that will work for this. And yes, now I can drag it wherever I want. And I'm going to try to get it lined up with the column. If you want to nudge it just a tiny bit, use your arrow keys and that will move it. Now they look quite, pictures in newspaper articles with columns look quite good either across one column or 2. So choose what you think looks best, and that is how we make our newspaper.